Hey, what's up guys? Want to make a video for you today sharing with you a niche that is starting to trend. But before I get into the niche, I want to share with you my two courses that I have up on Gumroad. One is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. Someone actually asked me yesterday about a coupon code. So what I did is I just went ahead and put both my courses on 50% off. It's just going to be available today at that price. So if you're looking for a discount, it's only $9.99 today for this course. You get 16 lessons and you get over an hour of a content. And if you go to the Redbubble one, it's also 50% off just for today. And I believe you get over 20 lessons and 1 hour of highly valuable content. The links will be in the description. I'll also have a pinned comment as well. If you want to read some reviews about this Redbubble Masterclass, I also have a link to this on my to Skillshare. So I basically just took my courses from Skillshare, I put them on Redbubble, and if you go to that link, you'll be able to read some of the reviews. All right, but yeah, so only $9.99 just for today. If these are good for beginners or people who are just starting out, or even people just that are having trouble getting sales on Redbubble or on merch, here are my credentials. I'm a tier 8,000 merch seller, and you'll see I have over 10,000 sales, and I've done over 35,000 in royalties. And if you look at my Redbubble dashboard, you're going to see the past few months I did $266, $317, and $248. All right, so if you're interested in one of those courses, take a look. They're going to be 50% off just for today. Okay, now let's go back to the content. So the niche that I have that is starting to trend is the liver cancer awareness. So next month in October is going to be October Liver Cancer Awareness Month, so that's why this niche is starting to trend. I actually got a sale just this morning in this niche. That's kind of what gave me the idea to make the video on this niche. When we look at the competition, you're going to see there's only 833 results, so under 1,000, which is usually my benchmark. The type of, or the color that people use for this niche is green, so that's like the type of ribbon that you want to use. Me personally, if I were to go back into this niche, I already have designs up, but I would recommend that you cross niche this, with any type of demographic, like a mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, wife, husband, son, daughter, things like that. I've sold a lot of awareness t-shirts in pretty much all the type of cancers and syndromes and diseases. And what I've noticed the most is that the majority of people that buy t-shirts, they're buying t-shirts to support someone that has liver cancer, for example. All right, so this is a really good example right here. I wear green for my dad. So someone wants to purchase this shirt because they want to show support for their dad that has liver cancer. That's probably what I would recommend if you want to go into this niche. Cross niche it with any type of demographic: dad, mom, son, daughter, etc. If we take a look at the competition on Etsy, there's only 303 results, so barely anything. Redbubble always has the most competition, so 2,314 results. Again, you're going to see a lot of it is just people using the green ribbons. And if we go to TeePublic, we're going to see also what the competition looks like. If you're looking for graphics, you can go to Vexels. Like here, I just did a search for cancer ribbons. You can download these, and then you can just change the color in Photoshop to green. I have an affiliate link, so if you're looking for some good graphics, clip art, you can take a look at the affiliate link in the description. I think it's only like $20 a month. And if we go back to merch right here, we still can't see the BSRs. If anybody knows how to get the BSRs back up, I'd really appreciate it. It's been kind of harder to find trendy niches without the BSR. So I don't know what's going on with Amazon. Hopefully they get that going back up. It's kind of weird because sometimes when you go into the t-shirt, you can scroll down and they have the BSR on the actual product page. So I don't know what's up. If anybody knows anything that I can do, maybe I need to do something to my browser, clear cache or cookies or something like that. But this is going to be the video for today. The niche is liver cancer awareness. Try to cross niche it with some type of demographic. That would be my recommendation. Put it on all product types. Put them on all platforms. That's really important. You want to diversify yourself as much as possible. And if you're looking for a Merch by Amazon course or a Redbubble course, check out the links in the description or the pinned comment. These courses are 50% off. I want to thank everybody that has been purchasing these courses. I appreciate that. I hope you're finding them valuable. and that's basically going to be it. So thanks for watching this video. Consider subscribing. If you like this kind of content, I'm putting out videos pretty much on a daily basis of trending niches, niche ideas to help you get sales on merch and other print-on-demand platforms. So if you like that kind of content, consider subscribing. And also check out my other videos. I have my most popular video. It's in a new POD niche. It's like in the crustacean niche. It's kind of like the cottageur niche, but basically for like ocean. So you definitely want to check that out because that niche is going to be trending a lot, especially as we get closer to Christmas. So that video will be somewhere right up here. And then check out my channel to check out my other videos for other trending niche ideas. All right, so thanks for watching. You guys have a great weekend, and hopefully see you tomorrow. All right, bye-bye.